What's the meaning of beard? Beard. Beard.
Beard. Beard. A beard is the hair that grows on the chin, cheeks, and neck of men, typically after puberty. It can either be a full beard, covering the entire area, or a partial beard, such as a goatee. Historically, beards have been seen as a symbol of masculinity, wisdom, and maturity. In some cultures, beards are also associated with religious beliefs and practices. Today, many men choose to grow beards for fashion or personal preference. Maintaining a beard requires regular grooming, including trimming and conditioning, to keep it looking neat and healthy. Overall, a beard is a natural and distinctive feature of many men's faces.